welcome back to the channel. I want to thank you for watching, and I want to announce before we get today's video started, we do have a merch line. I will have a link down below to our merch store. For you CF Moto owners, we have merch for you too, as well as the Redneck Garage, and we're working on merch for just about anybody. We're working on some riding merch, you know, different things. So keep an eye on that store, and everything you buy helps Redneck Garage keep doing the videos. And I want to thank you guys for all your support so far. It's really helped the channel grow. You guys are just awesome, and I want to thank you guys a lot, 100%. God bless you all. Thank you. So with that being said, we're going to start working on the golf cart build today. We got to do the front trailing arms. I know a couple of people had some questions about the rear end and about the arms being too steep. With the suspension articulation, they think it might kick out the rear end as you go down with the buggy. I just tested it and it will not. So we will show you guys that on camera. It's a golf cart, it's not a trophy truck, so it only has a few inches of travel, not enough to make it kick out or anything like that, which is what I was hoping for, but we didn't know until we put them on. And today I tested it out. I finally got out here and tested it, and we are going to be a-okay. So guys, in order to do our front trailing arms, we got to put a bend in this pipe. And we're probably going to put the bend about in here. And I don't know how far we got to go with the bend. Not much. Not much at all. Just a slight bend so it clears all the linkage, and we'll show you that here in a minute. But for now, let's get the bend in this pipe. You guys know that I really like this Harbor Freight tubing bender. We gotta turn her around or we won't be able to use her. Can't use too much of a bend, guys. Not too much. Probably actually about right in there. We're gonna check it. We're gonna cut her off right about there and make our second one. For you guys that were worried about the track bars being too steep and it pushing the rear end whenever you get up, you know, you hit a bump or whatever, it really does not have that effect. It is plenty. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is all my weight. It's actually these shocks bottoming out back here. We're getting better shocks. But these shocks are in a weird place, so they're going to bottom out. But I'm putting air shocks on. So, but yeah, literally. So, they're not going anywhere. It's not pushing it back. It's just fine. So, thank you guys for your concerns. And I definitely do listen to your ideas, and I do take them into consideration. So, I do like to hear what you guys have to say. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys like the build so far. It's coming along really well. I'm definitely enjoying it out here with you guys. And I want to hear some feedback on how I got it set up. I think it's set up pretty awesome. If you would do something different, definitely let me know, because we're still in the game a little early. We can change things if we need to. I think it's going to be cool the way it is. I think it's definitely different and unique, and I've seen a lot of people build these and put the lift blocks on, and that's all they did. They didn't do anything with trailing arms or anything like that. And I think that's a very dumb move, because you're going to get spring wrap, and which is bad, and your axles just aren't that stable. I don't know about you, but I feel better with having those arms. So, as we all know, everything is not fully welded. It's all tacked in for testing purposes only, just in case we got to move something or readjust something or what have you. But yeah, guys, so that's it for today's video. I'd like to ask you to go down and like, share, and subscribe for me. Check out the merchandise. I'll have that in a link down below, our merch store, for you CF Moto guys and the regular off-road guys, and even the Redneck Garage fans. Check it out, because it does help the channel. So thank you guys. That's all we got for you today, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace and God bless.